Greetings everybody, welcome to this new tutorial and you can see difference, I don't know. Welcome to this new video everyone, and today we are going to learn something new. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back everybody, welcome to this new video, and today we are going to learn how to make that Coldplay Instagram video that they just created for the new documentary, and I'm just so excited about that because I love Coldplay, you know.
Come out of things unsaid. Shoot an apple off my head, and a trouble that can't be named. A tiger's waiting to be tamed, singing you.
We are going to learn how to make the typography effect in this new Coldplay video, and all those small motion graphics like a liquid, like a paintbrush if you may, that you can see in the new video. Let's not waste any more time, let's get into After Effects. Open a new composition, change the settings, click OK, go to text, write down the text that you want. I'll just keep it Coldplay. Align it and change the font type to anything that you like. Now go to create shapes from text and just delete the text layer. Now what you have to do is go on this layer and click Ctrl D 8 times, which is used for duplicating the layer. Now in every layer, in every duplicate of this, just delete every letter from it except one letter. Like the first letter is C, so in the first layer I'll just delete every letter except C, and consequently now I'll just rename it for you to better understand it. As you can see, yeah, APLAY. Yeah, now it looks good. Now it looks good. Now hit Control D again and just pre-comp this second layer of C. I'll just name it C mask and open it. Now go to this C2 layer, just click on this pen icon and the mask option. Here you can see the mask option that I just clicked. Now just draw a mask around this C letter. Make it nice and just within the C letter. Now go to the stroke effect in the effects panel and change the brush size to 15 or maybe 25. Also the hardness to 79% and just keyframe it, keyframe the end from 0 to 100 in 10 frames. Now just duplicate the C2 layer again to the C3 layer at about 5 frames and just change the brush size to 45, and again you'll see. Now what you can do is add the adjustment layer to the C mask composition. Also add simple choker with the choke mat of 10 and the roughen edges effect with border 10 and edge sharpness 1. Also what you can do is add turbulent displays. Turbulent displays is basically to add the turbulence to this stroke. You can also add the turbulence displays in the starting, like in the comp 1 where you can see the C that I'm just editing, and here you can see that liquid flowing through the letter, and it looks pretty amazing, I know. Now you just have to do the same for every other letter. It's pretty simple and pretty amazing, as you can see. Now just show what you have to do. Now in the tutorial, now in the video of Coldplay, they had the characters moving even when they were not animating, if you know what I mean. So I'll just change the amount of turbulence display to a higher value so that they keep moving, because turbulent displays does that effect. I'll just make it 15 and just keep it that way, not add a keyframe to it. I'll just do the same for every other letter, and you can do the same. Now in comp 1 you can just go to the C layer and go to this track matte option, where you can see the alpha matte. If you can't see this, you can go below, and in the bottom you can see the toggle switches / modes, where you can get this track matte and change it to alpha matte. Now with every letter done, I'll just move every letter away by 14 frames so that it gives a nice animation effect. Now just trim the comp, make all these pre-comp and a pre-comp, and name it all text. Now for that little blob in the end, like a splattering of paint, just create a solid and go to effects panel and search for Mr. Mercury. And here you can see where you can just change the velocity to 1, birth rate to 0.2, gravity to 0.1, resistance to 0.23, and here you can see all that effect. And as my last letter is Y, so I'll just add a birth rate effect to this to the end of Y. Now just add a 4 color gradient to the whole Coldplay all text layer, and just add the color so that it looks pretty. Here you have it, the liquefy effect which Coldplay use. Now it's up to you how to make this effect more creative and more productive. You can be as untidy as you want, as it was a really cool effect with all the splattering of the paint and making it really untidy. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you did, please subscribe and like this video. Also comment below. If you can, also share this to your friends who are in need for some typography effects or any other tutorial that they want to see on my channel. I'll be creating more stuff in this week maybe. I think we are done with the tutorial, and it took me 30 minutes to make that tutorial, and I'm really exhausted, so keep learning, stay creative.